Acha, Rahat. So you have some issue with lexical resources as well as linking words. You need to learn the linking words. You know the however, furthermore, moreover, you have to learn those. And you are using repeated vocabularies. Okay, you need to increase your lexical resources. What we call vocabs. Okay, sometimes you make pronunciation mistake. Try to pronounce more words. Okay, try practicing reading in your books. Okay, try reading different types of books. That way your pronunciation will improve. And for fluency, I would say try to talk with different people from different countries. You have different types of apps online and you can use those. Okay, that way I think your fluency will increase. For now, you have a level of 5 overall, but I believe if you improve this lexical linking word and some pronunciation, your score will rise up.